Hello everybody, this is Azrael. Thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be talking about banishing and invoking pentagrams using the elements. Now I'm going to take a little side note here real quick. Now if you notice when it says spirit, it has a circle. It would be more accurate if there's a dot in that circle. Not only does that also the planetary symbol of the sun, but it's actually would be more accurate because when you cast a circle in a magic ritual, you are the center of that circle, and you are the spirit. If you're invoking a god or a legitimate spirit, or just using your own will and intent, you are the one performing the ritual. You would be the center, and you represent the elemental spirit. So it'd be more accurate with a little dot there. Now, when you cast a circle, you usually will go clockwise in most traditions, and when you want to take down your magic circle, you go widdershins, or counterclockwise widdershins, also as it's known. Now, when you invoke an element, you bring the aspects of that element for that ritual. So if I'm going to say I'm casting a spell about passion. All right, I want to add some passion in a love spell. And I'm going to draw the invoking pentagram of fire. That's done. When you invoke something, you bring it to you. So just like that, when you start to draw the pentagram, you start at a point away from fire and draw the pentagram for the first line, goes straight to the element. That's how you invoke it. So you would start with spirit and go to fire, and then go from fire to air, and then continue connecting the dots, water, earth, then back to spirit. And that would be invoking. Now, let's say I have a little bit of anger, and I'm trying to banish some of that anger away, and I'm doing a ritual, and I would symbolically banish that negative aspect that is active in my anger. I would draw a banishing pentagram of fire. And for that, you send things away. So you would start at fire and then move away from fire. That would be the banishing. This little technique is used in ritual magic. And when I draw pentagrams in rituals and I'm invoking elements, I will use this same technique. One of my favorite rituals, one of my main rituals that I use when I banish my evil forces or negativity out of my workspace, I use something called the LBRP, or the Lesser Banishing Ritual of the Pentagram, LBRP. And basically, I guess I'll do a video of that, but you go to the four corners of your house and you use the protection of earth to banish negativity out of the four corners of your workspace while you cast the circle. And there's other things there. There's visualizations. I'll do a video on that if you guys ask me enough, I guess, because it's in depth. I like using small videos. People like to watch videos in a few minute spans and pack a lot of information there. But LBRP could easily be a 15-20 minute video. But anyway, so anyways, that's what it's done for all the elements. If you want to invoke the element, you draw your first line to the element, and you banish it. You start at the element and draw your first line away. It's that simple. Okay, well, like and subscribe if you would like to for me to do more videos. I'm kind of an amateur at it. I don't have a lot of free time, but the more people who want videos, I'll find a topic and talk about it. Or you guys can give me some suggestions. So anyways, take care. Until next time. Good night.